Apple is here with its AirTag to rival their competitor Tile. But does it stand out? Let's find it out. Apple in their last week's event unveiled the AirTags, which can help you find your lost items if you have connected your AirTag with them. And the best part is you can attach these AirTags with any of your accessories, with any of your equipments that you want, such as your bags, your keys, or anything at all. And then you can pair your AirTag with your iPhone, and using the Find My app, you would be able to locate where that particular item is. It's a very small device made by Apple, and it's very convenient to carry with yourselves wherever you want to go as well. It's very lightweight, and its build quality is of stainless steel on one side and a sturdy plastic on the other side, and an Apple logo on it where the stainless steel side is. Apple is still following its tradition of giving you the free engravings if you want on the other side, which is the plastic one, and it's powered by CR2032 battery, which is replaceable by yourself. And Apple claims that the battery will last at least 1 year before it needs to be replaced. Apple has unveiled this product at an introductory price of 45 Australian dollars for one piece, and if you want to grab a set of 4 of them, then you can grab it for 149 Australian dollars. And then of course the traditional Apple, that it comes with its extra paid accessories that if you want to have for the AirTags, you can have the keychains and all those other things that they are coming up with. So you can definitely check it out on their website. Now, setting up your AirTag with your iPhone, it's extremely convenient and easy and straightforward as the other Apple products are. Once you buy your AirTag, you just need to remove that plastic film from the backside where the battery is, and you will see a prompt on your iPhone saying that to connect your AirTag with your iPhone, the way it works with your normal AirPods or any other products. Then it will give you an option to choose the name of that AirTag. It will give you a drop-down menu of different names that you can choose, such as keys or bag or dog or wherever you want to attach your AirTag with. And after it's connected, you will be able to see the location of that AirTag wherever you go. And if it's in the Bluetooth range of that particular AirTag, then you can use the Find My app on your iPhone to even locate where that particular AirTag is. But the only drawback is you need to have the latest iPhone, either 11 or 12. It could be mini, pro, or anything, that doesn't really matter, but they have just made sure that you have to have an iPhone 11 or at least a 12 to use that guiding feature, or let's say use that map feature where it just visually displays that how far are you from that device. So you need to have the latest devices for that. And if you have an older device, still it doesn't mean that the AirTags will not work on them. It will, but then the features would be a tad limited, I would say. And what would happen is, if you go to your Find My app and if you want to locate where the AirTag is, you can just press on a button where it says to play the sound or the chime sound. Once you click on and once you tap on that button, the AirTag, now there are no visual speakers on AirTags, so it's a very minimal amount of sound that would be coming, but it is still loud enough if you are in a normal sized room or in a normal sized house of yours, then it would be easier for you to still find out where that particular AirTag is. Now comes the main question, that what if you are out of the Bluetooth range? Let's say you forgot your AirTag on a train, or if you forgot your AirTag or your bag or something in your university or at any public place. Now obviously the Bluetooth range will not be enough, but then Apple has got you covered for this feature as well, that once you go on Find My app, there would be an option saying lost mode. Now once you click on that lost option, then it will give you two different options. One would be to type in any message that you want, and another one would be to simply leave your contact number over there, so that whosoever finds out your AirTag or your device or accessory where you have attached that AirTag to, and if they have an iPhone or an Android, they can simply just use the NFC enabled devices to scan that particular AirTag, and then they will be able to see your contact number and your message which has been displayed by you. And then if they want, they can just simply contact you and then either arrange a delivery or you can go and pick it up from them. But then obviously there's a drawback to this thing as well, that if you lost your bag or anything that you have attached the AirTag to, and if it is in hand of a wrong person, then obviously there is no guarantee that they would be returning it. They can just simply chip it off and then throw your AirTag and then just take the bag and whatever it's in there. But then if it is being found by a good person, obviously that person can then contact with you and then give your item back to you. One major concern by all people right now would be that how secure is it in terms of the privacy and in terms of the location. Now Apple did touch a bit of base on that thing when they unveiled this product last week. They specifically said that to join this Find My network, you don't even have to share the location with anyone at all, even including Apple. So the location of your AirTag would be only known to you, not even Apple. So Apple has made sure about this thing and they're very specific about it. So be rest assured that you will not be tracked by anyone. Now, what sort of engraving can be done on the back, the plastic side of the AirTag? It could range from any numbers that you want to put on, or if you want to have the initial of your names, you can do so. Or there would be about 30-35 emoji characters that you can also choose to put it on. Now, because of the size of the AirTag, you will not be able to put more than 4 characters at the back. So if you are, or if you were thinking of having your complete name engraved on the back, unfortunately, it is not going to happen. But yes, up to 4 letters can be done. So with that, that's pretty much it from me for this particular product. And if you have any sort of questions, do make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure that I answer them as quickly as possible. And if you like this video, do hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you do not miss any upcoming future videos. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.